Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another Staub unboxing here. Happy Chinese New Year to you all. So for those fans who are not Chinese, okay, so this year it is the year of the tiger. So I have a special Staub unboxing to celebrate my Chinese New Year and my culture. So let's go ahead and unbox this piece. Of course, if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss another video of my Staub unboxing. I also do other related videos such as restaurant remake, where I recreate the restaurant dish that I have. And if this is something that you're interested, please consider to subscribe. And also, this new year, I am hoping that for those who watch my video on YouTube, please consider to follow me on Instagram as well, and I would love to chit chat with you through Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram so then you can see some of my photos, especially my foodie photos. So if you're interested, please follow me on Instagram. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox this piece with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this here. Okay, so this is a 24 centimeter, a 9 3/8 inch dimension. Of course, Staub is made in France. Okay, so if this is the first time you're watching, it is an enamel cast iron. Now, this is a new color that I've incorporated into my collection. So, ready to see my color reveal? Yes, this is one of the classic color, which is called a cherry. So look at this red. It is quite amazing. Now this is actually a 5-quart Cocotte. Let me just take this out here. So this is a taller version of the 4-quart Cocotte. It's the same dimension as my size 24 centimeter. Okay, so of course it comes with their care booklets as usual. It also comes with these plastic brackets here to protect the lid when you store it. All right, so let's take a look at the bottom here. Okay, I have pulled out my 4-quart Cocotte here. This is the 24 centimeter. So you know this is one of my earlier pieces, and I just want to compare and contrast the height difference for you. So I have my measuring tape here. So this is about 4 inches in height. And in terms of the 5-quart one, it is 5.5 inches in height. So if you're considering a taller version of the 24 centimeters, so now you know the height difference. All right, so I am actually also going to weigh the different pieces here, so then you also have a better idea in terms of what would be the weights here. So this one right here without the lid, 6 pounds and 11.2 ounce. So really close to 7 pounds. And the one with the 5-quart, same dimension in terms of the circumference, right? The diameter. In this case, it is 8 pounds and 1 ounce. This is without the lid. All right, so now you understand a little bit more of the difference. Now, I do recommend for those people who are considering their stove for the first time, this 24 centimeter dimension lid is very, very useful in terms of a daily base uses, okay? So you can see this lid is exactly the same. So even if I use the grade one to cover it, it's actually gonna cover it perfectly, right? But it looks really ugly. So let's not do that. Okay, the reason why I want to compare these two with you, because this is slightly higher. It's about 1.5 inches higher here. And that's actually something that you might consider getting. Instead of the regular size, you might want a taller one, because sometimes when you're cooking, depending on what you cook, the taller one might be a little bit more useful. Let's say you're making a stew, you're making a mussel, you want a deeper cocotte, okay? Especially some sort of soup. Okay, so let me talk about price point here. This particular piece, I'm gonna be honest with you, I purchased it last year in 2021. This particular piece, I believe, came out with the taller version in early March. And this really caught my eyes. And I really enjoy collecting this 24 centimeter because I found it myself that I use this 24 centimeter a lot. My household ranges from 2 to 4 people. So it's really comfortable when you're using a 24 centimeter cocotte on a daily basis. If you have a size of a family 5 to 6, I would recommend you go with probably this version because it gives you a 5-quart instead of a 4-quart. And I definitely recommend you to get the 5.5 quarts, the 26 centimeter version. Now, this particular piece right here, so I was able to purchase this piece for $119. And this was definitely, at the time, it was a steal. Right now, I think it went back up to the original price, approximately $360 around that price. But always go check the website. And also, I do have a coupon code below, and hopefully you still can use that coupon code. But yeah, I just want to share with you the price points here. The newer version now has a glass lid, but it's in a 4-quart. But if this is something that you're considering with a 5-quart, with a taller version of the cocotte, I highly recommend you picking this up. So now you know the price points. Of course, everything is being inflated nowadays, okay? It's understandable. So if you're getting it for let's say $50, I think it's still a good entry point into this particular cocotte. So if you have any comments or if you have any questions, please comment below. I would love to answer them to the best of my abilities. And of course, as always, for those Staub fans lover, thanks for watching. Don't forget a thumbs up by hitting the like button so then more viewers like yourself would get to enjoy this content. Don't forget to feel free to share this video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel.